There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Dodge Durango RT in Destroyer Gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear load leveling suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 60,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seating, third row seating, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6705.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.